Unlocking English Idioms, Full Swing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, full swing. This is a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or read in books. It's a popular idiom that's useful to know and can make your English sound more natural. So, if you're ready, let's get the ball rolling and get into the full swing of learning. Full swing refers to an activity that is proceeding vigorously or at a high rate of speed. It's often used to describe something that has reached its highest level of activity or is being carried out with the greatest possible energy and enthusiasm. For instance, if a party is in full swing, it means that the party is lively, and everyone is fully engaged in the fun. Similarly, when a project is in full swing, it indicates that all aspects of the project are underway, and people are working hard. The term, full swing, originates from the motion of a swinging object, such as a pendulum and a grandfather clock, which has a wide, uninterrupted movement. In the same way, an activity in full swing has an unrestricted, all-out motion. Knowing the origin of this idiom can help you understand and remember its meaning. To help you better understand how to use full swing, let's look at some examples. Construction on the new bridge is now in full swing, with work proceeding day and night. After the intermission, the concert went into full swing with the band playing their greatest hits. As the holiday season approaches, the preparations for the festival are in full swing. You can use full swing in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. It's great for expressing the intensity and liveliness of an event, or the progress of a project or season. This idiom adds color to your language and conveys a sense of momentum and excitement. Interestingly, full swing can be adapted into different forms. For example, you can say something is swinging into full swing as a way of describing the transition from a slow start to high activity. It's a dynamic expression that can add a twist to your conversational skills. And that's a wrap on full swing. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this common English idiom and how you can use it to add flair to your speech or writing. Remember, learning idioms is not only about knowing their meanings but also about practicing them in context. So, try to use full swing in your next English conversation and see how it goes. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.